Hey, welcome to another tutorial of web scraping using Python, and this is the tutorial for beginners. So what we'll do in this video is we'll try to scrape a website called worldometers.info/coronavirus. So why we have chosen this website instead of another website is that in this video what we'll do is we'll try to scrape a site which is not much dynamic in nature. So in previous video, if you remember that we pulled out information from Amazon, but this time we'll pull out the information from a website which gives us the total number of cases in a given country, which gives us the number for death rate as well and the recovery rate as well. So what is different in this website than the other one that we've used, which was Amazon, and then we pulled out the information for washing machine? This has less dynamic nature to it. So it has a simple HTML form. It is provided by the server side only. There is no much JavaScript which is going on. So this specific site would not need Selenium, which is the web driver. And what we'll be doing is we'll be pulling out information using request and beautiful soup only. So right now I'm on my system and the site is open, and I have the IDE called Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it, you can download it. If you have a different IDE on which you do Python code, that is fine. You can use a different IDE as well. So what we'll do here is we will import the modules that we need, and that will be request module. And if you don't have this module, you can simply do a pip installation, and that can be done. If you don't know how to do that, there is a suggestion which is coming right up on the screen. You can click that and you can get to know how you install these modules through pip. And then what you can do is you can import beautiful soup, but for that you have to say bs4, which is beautiful soup, import beautiful soup. And then what you can do is, again, if you don't want to import the OS model, that is also fine, because we don't have any Chrome driver that we need in this. So what we'll do is we'll say URL, and now we'll decide a URL. For that we can press USA. If we want to, you can simply just paste this URL. This specific term can be changed for which country you're pulling out. This totally depends on this one. If you change it to India, it will pull out the information for India. If you would change it to Iraq, it will pull out the information for Iraq. Similarly for Italy and everything. Now you can say that my page equals to request.get, and it will get the URL. Now you have to find the content as well. For that we'll say soup equals to beautiful soup, and then what we'll do is we'll pass in page, which is this one, and then we'll pass on HTML parser as well, so that we can pass that information. The moment we have this, we'll say soup1 equals to soup, or soup dot find all, and what we are trying to find is something I'll tell you. And here we'll put the class, and here we'll put the wrapper form. So in order to check that, what we can do is, I'm on my Chrome, I press Ctrl+Shift+I to see this developer tab, and the moment if I go into this number, I can see that there's a div class which is acting as a wrapper. I'll write div here, and I need the main counter number as well, which is the class. So in every class of main counter wrap, you'll see main counter number plus divs. So what we'll do is we'll write main counter number here, and then it's simple for I in soup1, and then we'll print information which is soup1, and now you'll see 3 texts coming in. So before doing this, you can also put text here so that you can have the information without the HTML part. And then you'll see that you have 3 numbers right now in front of you. The first one is, so we have an error, and let's check what is the error so that we can fix it. So what we have done here is we have written page, and we have to write page.content and then run this. So the moment we run this, after fixing this issue, you'll see there's another error coming up which states that it could not find. So I've written soup1.text. Instead of this, I should have written I.text and then run it. Pardon me for the issues which is coming up. I'm sure this time it will work. So as you can see, right now we have 3 numbers, which is 34414, 3414, 137 and 1517, and this is the exact number that we have pulled out. So if we change US to India and then try to pull this information up, you will see that we have three numbers for this country as well, which is 879-902-23200-554-907, and this can be confirmed if we change US to India, and you can see these are the exact numbers that we pulled out. So this is how you pull out the information from website. This is totally a beginner stuff, and we are doing web scraping using Python, and this is a static site. If you want to know how do we do it on dynamic side, there is the link at the end of this video. Please like the video if you think that this is resourceful, and subscribe to the channel because we will be doing a series on web scraping. Plus we'll be using other modules with web scraping like pandas and everything to have a fancy data set prepared and charts and histograms and everything. So please also press the bell icon so that you can get notified about the videos which are coming. Thank you for joining.